Welcome to day 30 of your object-oriented programming course. Today we will focus on showcasing your learning journey. By the end of this session, you will have the opportunity to present your mini project, reflect on what you have learned, and create a portfolio entry that highlights your skills in OOP. Let's dive into these exciting activities. Let's start with the first step, presenting your mini project. The goal here is to demonstrate what you have learned through this project. When presenting, make sure to highlight the problem your project solves, the design and architecture, and how object-oriented programming principles were applied. Showcase the core functionality and the features that make your project unique. When presenting your project, focus on the following key aspects. First, explain the problem your project solves. What real-world issues does your system address? Next, describe the design and architecture of the system. Discuss the classes, attributes, and methods you used. Then emphasize the advanced features such as polymorphism, file handling, or exception handling that you have integrated. Don't forget to talk about the challenges you faced and how you solved them. Finally, consider discussing any future enhancements you envision for the project. Now let's move on to the reflection part of your journey. Reflecting on your learning process will help consolidate your knowledge and allow you to see how far you have come. In your reflection, you should cover your initial expectations, the key things you have learned, the challenges you encountered, and what growth you experienced. This is an important part of your learning process. Start your reflection by discussing your initial expectations. What were your goals at the start of the course? What skills or concepts did you hope to learn? Understanding your starting point will help you measure your growth and give you a clear view of your progress. Next, focus on the key learnings from the course. What were the most valuable concepts you picked up? Perhaps it was understanding the core principles of OOP like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Or maybe you gained new coding techniques. Reflect on how these learnings have impacted your skills and shaped your understanding of object-oriented programming. Every journey has its challenges, and OOP is no different. Think about the most difficult problems you faced during the course, whether it was understanding a complex concept or debugging a tricky issue. These challenges have contributed to your growth as a developer. Reflect on how you overcame these obstacles and how they helped you improve your skills. In this section of your reflection, talk about the skills you have gained. You have not only learned how to program in a object-oriented style, but also how to think critically and solve complex problems. Finally, share your future goals. What would you like to learn next in the realm of software development? Maybe you are interested in learning design patterns or contributing to open source projects. Now let's shift gears and focus on creating a portfolio entry. A well-crafted portfolio entry is a powerful way to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Your portfolio should highlight your project's features, the technologies you used, and how you applied OOP principles in your work. A strong portfolio will demonstrate your problem-solving abilities and your technical knowledge. Start your portfolio by summarizing the project. Provide a clear and concise description of the project's purpose. What problem does it solve? Be sure to also mention the main features or functionalities you implemented. This will give potential employers a good understanding of what your project is about. Next, list the technologies you used in your project. Be sure to mention the programming languages, tools, or frameworks you leveraged. This helps to show the technical breadth of your skills. It's also a great way to highlight your experience with industry standard tools and technologies. One of the most important aspects of your portfolio is demonstrating the OOP principles you applied. For example, explain how you used inheritance to create a hierarchy of classes or how polymorphism allowed for flexible methods calls. Make sure to showcase how you used abstraction and encapsulation to make your code more modular and maintainable. To further demonstrate your skills, include, include relevant code snippets in your portfolio. Choose examples of code that showcase your understanding of OOP concepts such as class definitions, method implementations, and object interactions. Briefly explain each snippet so that potential employers can understand the logic behind it. Every developer faces challenges during a project. In this section, talk about any hurdles you encountered while working on your project. Whether it was a tricky bug or a design decision, discuss how you tackled these challenges and found solutions. This shows problem solving skills and resilience. A picture of a picture is worth a thousand words, so don't forget to include screenshots or a live demo of your project. If your project has a user interface, include clear and professional screenshots. If possible, provide a link to a live demo or a video walkthrough to give potential employers a hands-on experience with your project. To make your portfolio stand out, add a personal touch. Be clear and concise in your descriptions, but also give some insight into your thought process. Explain the design decisions you made and the reasoning behind them. Update your portfolio regularly with new projects and improvements, and ensure that it looks professional and is easy to navigate. Preparing for real-world applications is crucial as you transition from learning to applying your skills in professional environments. Keep building projects to refine your abilities. Contribute to open source projects to gain feedback and collaborate with others. Prepare for interviews by practicing explaining your projects and the OOP concepts you applied. Congratulations on completing the course. You have built a mini project that demonstrates your proficiency in object oriented programming. But remember, this is just the beginning. Keep practicing, continue learning, and apply your skills in real world projects. Your OOP journey has only just started, and the future is full of exciting opportunities.